It's van life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live long life. It's van life.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of FilAmstagram. Today, we're excited because we finished the Murphy bed. I just did 2 days of warfare on this thing. I'm going to be working on these swivel hinges, which is the style we chose to do our Murphy bed. So if you can see, these swivel hinges, they'll be going on either side between the bed and this baseboard that's gonna hold the bed up. I think I just about got it here. So it's gonna come down like this. And there's our bed. I had to rebuild the sofa underneath to be able to get the bed, the swivel part of the bed to fit. I mean, I love the idea of Murphy beds. I really do. I'm glad we did it. I'm glad we have it and it actually functions now. But I would suggest if you're thinking about a Murphy bed that you really have to study it or get a carpenter that knows what they're doing to help you at least plot it out and, you know, get things situated, because we did a lot of trial and error and yeah, a lot of boo-boos on my hands to prove it. But we got it. We got it done here. So this is going to have a board on it that these two artists are going to paint a beautiful scene on.
Nice. We're going to paint something there that will be the masterpiece and the center point of this whole band.
Yeah. So during the day, it'll be behind, you know, this will be a sofa. And then at night, you get up from the sofa.
Okay, stand up.
All you have to do is remove the sofa cushion. Put it out of the way just for a second because it's going to have its ultimate spot. And then you just pull the bed down. You don't even have to pull, you just start. Gravity does the rest. And then the cushion goes back here. And this is really exciting too, because once you do have the bed down, you can just sit back. This is so exciting. I mean, talk about breakfast in bed. You know, we're gonna have our sink right here, our countertop, you know, our cooker. We'll wake up in the morning, you have the beach scene right there in our bay window, right in front of our faces, or the mountains, or, you know, whatever picturesque spot you can imagine there. And Miriam likes it because she can reach the sink right here, huh?
Yeah.
You're gonna be doing all your own dishes, huh? Yeah.
And you have that view, and you have that view.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at her view.
Whoa!
Yeah. She's small enough to fit with a headstand in there. That's always important.
So yeah, this is a game changer. I mean, being able to sit in here like this and just dream about how things are going to be. It's been just a lot of grueling hard work, you know, but you know, a lot of frustrating moments. But I think every project always has that one point, you know, that one part of the project that's just more challenging than the rest. And I think ours was the Murphy bed, but we got past it. You know, we got this thing done, so it functions.
So far, I've seen 3 different ways in which you can build a Murphy bed. One is to get one of those hydraulic things.
The kits, yeah, they're very, very expensive.
Yeah, but it takes the mathematical equation out of it, so it really saves time. If you are after time and you don't know a lot about carpentry or mathematics, you could probably invest in one.
Yeah, they're quite expensive.
Yeah, that's the reason why we opted for the more affordable technology, which are either the swivel hinges, which we went with, or
yeah, T-hinges I think would work.
Industrial strength T-hinges.
Same with the swivel hinges. You have to make sure it's pretty heavy duty. You don't want to just get, there's a lot that they sell on the market that
or lazy Susans
are pretty flimsy. I don't know if that's going to hold, because this is, right now, this isn't holding all the weight because we have the bed resting on this area where the kitchen, the counter space is. But when it goes up, all that's holding the whole weight of the bed is the 2 hinges. So you have to make sure you get something pretty heavy duty and something that's not going to flex out, and then once it flexes, all the ball bearings just pop right out. That wouldn't be good. So we're excited. This is a game changer. This is after 2 days of what felt like warfare. I got battle scars to prove it, huh, Miriam? I literally had to rebuild the sofa bed, so I had to cut out all the support beams and bring everything in, and then re-support the sofa. So that wasn't fun doing demolition on a project that you had just built. So now today I'm going to be doing the closet back there and the shelving for the closet, and so keep you updated on that. Okay, wow!
All right.
You can fit. Oh, you can touch the ceiling.
Wow. Touch the ceiling with our toes. Yep.
Yeah. Good job, Miriam. Whoa!
Yeah. This isn't actually going to be Miriam's bed.
No, where's your bed going to be? Up there, inside the air conditioner? She doesn't quite understand what loft concept is, but you're going to see. You're going to want to see this video. See through that window? Yeah, we got our windbreaker there now. That windbreaker is going to be a room. You know, that's going to be at the beginning of her loft, and then the rest is going to be a removable spot that comes out probably about right here. So it's going to come out another almost meter. So in total, we'll have about 2 meters of space up there. And that windbreaker is going to turn into an interior room. So that's something you want to keep an eye on, because I don't think people have thought of that concept yet. If you can put a windbreaker on, and of course you have to have the raised roof, but it's going to add almost a square meter of space. Almost, you know. A square meter of space is a lot when you think about living space inside of a camper van like this, because, okay, you can measure the camper van how it is when it's empty. But think about after everything's full. You think about after you have the counters in there. Okay, that's not living space anymore because it's got countertop there. You know, you think about the bed. So really, probably in this area of real like open space, we only have probably 5 square meters, maybe not even. So if you can add another square meter, you know, you can add 20% or 25% or even up to 40% of space in your van. So that's what that's going to provide for us, you know. Once we can do our DIY fiberglass to seal off the windbreaker, we're going to be able to open up this window. Open up the window, get the rest of the loft done. Like we said, this will be removable, so this part of the loft from here to the window will only be during the nighttime. We'll be able to put that up in there, and you know, during the day we'll be able to remove it, and we'll still have all that access to all that storage space, but we won't have the rest of the loft part here. But yeah, that's going to be a game changer. That's going to be one exciting video. A little daunting because we've never done fiberglass before, but we're excited to try. What do you want to measure? That's going to be your cabinet, remember? This first one, because she'll be able to reach that cabinet from her loft. And Bing was able to actually paint all of the 3 cabinet doors here. So that's another thing we got done this week that you can look forward to seeing. Yeah. What do you think? What is it?
40, 70, 80.
40, 70, 80.
Wow.
I don't know what units.
That's exciting. All right, so yeah, that's it for our displaying of our Murphy bed. And we think, why do they call it a Murphy bed, Bing?
Because of Murphy's Law.
Murphy's Law.
Murphy's Law states Murphy's Law states that if anything can go wrong,
it will.
It will. And it did for us, for all the trials and errors. There were a lot of errors, but in the end, we were about to rectify the errors, and it actually worked for us. And I think that's a thrill of doing DIY. Sometimes you start off not knowing anything that you're doing, but then you learn, and then you learn from your experiences, and hopefully others will also learn from our experiences and do it better the next time that they want to do it.
Yeah, exactly. We all share our common ideas together, come up with something really nice. So, be about it. We're glad that we have a Murphy bed that functions finally. And I'm excited because I can actually sit up here and I still don't hit the ceiling. So it's comfortable. It's going to be comfortable for me at night. So pretty happy about that. So that's going to wrap up this episode. We just wanted to show you our Murphy bed. And remember,
Don't forget to subscribe.
sending love from the Philippines. All right.
Right. Woo.